If you love a creamy pasta with a twist, you need to try this Bok Choy pasta with shrimp. It's packed with flavor, easy to make, and it's perfect for a quick dinner. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Savory Thoughts. My name is Marlene and I share delicious recipes that bring bold flavors to your kitchen. So today we're making a creamy Bok Choy pasta with shrimp and fresh veggies. As you watch this video, I'll go ahead and walk you through the ingredients we'll be using. First, we're starting off with the protein, which you can use shrimp, tofu, or chicken breast, even chicken thighs. Next, for the veggies, we are using, of course, fresh bok choy, grape tomatoes, baby mushrooms, green onions, and fresh parsley. We're also adding in fresh ginger. For the sauce base, we're moving along with heavy cream. We're also adding in water, but for the heavy cream, feel free to use a dairy-free option. And for the water, if you don't want to use water, go ahead and use stock, or you may use a broth. Now, the fresh parsley that I'm using, I shared it in the video where I make, this is how I preserve my parsley. I add vinegar, oil, a little bit of salt, and chili peppers or pepper flakes, and just put them in a mason jar, place it in the fridge, and use it as needed. Start cooking your shrimp. As the shrimp cook, it will release some liquid, so go ahead and put the liquid aside and continue to cook your shrimp. So you want to go ahead and saute your shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes and remove it and set it aside. Next, you want to start sauteing the vegetables, starting off with the garlic, the ginger, the parsley, and we're also adding in the green onions. You're going to stir that well. Continue to stir so that way it doesn't stick to the bottom. And while your vegetables are cooking, go ahead and start with the pasta. Be sure to cook it al dente. And now move along with the mushrooms and also Worcestershire sauce. We're also adding in paprika. Guys, we have the full recipe in the description box as well as on the website at savorythoughts.com. We're adding in fresh bok choy. This will give it a fresh, slightly crunchy texture that balances perfectly with the creamy sauce. So add in your tomatoes and also add in your heavy cream. This will make it nice and thick without having to add cheese. But please do so if that's what you prefer. So go ahead and mix it well to combine. Then once you're done, drain out your pasta and add in your spaghetti in the sauce. We're also finishing off with some more grape tomatoes. Then we're adding in our shrimp last. We don't want our shrimp to overcook, so that way it doesn't have a rubbery texture. So you want to adjust the seasoning as needed. This is also, again, the best time for you to go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese or some mozzarella cheese. So that's it. It takes about 30 minutes. Go ahead and give it a quick taste. Be sure not to burn yourself and dirty yourself like I am doing here. But go ahead and give it a taste, see if you like it, adjust the seasoning if needed, and serve it with shaved Parmesan on top. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to cook bok choy. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.